Men, your fertility and overall reproductive health depend on what's on your plate. But did you know that certain foods have the power to supercharge your sperm production, increase motility, and even improve testosterone levels? If you're looking to boost fertility, maximize your chances of conception, or just improve your overall health, stick around because today we're revealing the 5 most powerful foods that can transform your reproductive health. And trust me, you'll want to know the last one because it's a game changer that most men ignore. Before we dive in, hit that like button to support this channel. And if you're new here, subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Now, why should you even care about sperm health? Well, whether you're planning for kids or just optimizing your vitality, your sperm quality affects testosterone, energy levels, and even your overall well-being. Poor diet, stress, and lifestyle choices are crushing men's fertility at alarming rates. But the good news is you can reverse the damage naturally with the right foods. Let's jump straight into it. Number 1. Leafy greens. The DNA protector. If you're not eating enough spinach, kale, or Swiss chard, you're missing out on one of the most powerful fertility boosters, folic acid. This essential nutrient plays a key role in producing healthy sperm DNA. Without enough folic acid, sperm may develop abnormalities, increasing the risk of fertility issues. A 2013 study in human reproduction found that men with low folic acid intake had a 20% higher rate of chromosomal abnormalities in their sperm. This means that a folic acid deficiency can directly lead to sperm defects and lower fertility. But the benefits of folic acid go far beyond sperm health. It also helps with red blood cell production, heart health, brain function, and muscle recovery, while reducing stress and inflammation. To ensure optimal sperm health, aim for 400 to 600 micrograms of folic acid daily, which you can get from 2 to 3 cups of leafy greens. Add them to smoothies, salads, or sauté them with olive oil for a fertility-friendly diet boost. Number 2, oysters, the ultimate testosterone and fertility booster. If you're looking to naturally enhance your sperm productions and testosterone levels, oysters should be at the top of your list. They are the richest natural source of zinc, a crucial mineral that directly influences testosterone production, sperm quality, and overall fertility. Zinc deficiency is a major contributor to low sperm count, poor motility, and reduced reproductive function. Research published in Fertility and Sterility found that men with higher zinc intake had significantly better sperm concentration, motility, and function compared to those with low levels. But the benefits of oysters go beyond sperm health. They also help increase libido, boost energy levels, and improve overall reproductive health. If oysters aren't your thing, you can still get plenty of zinc from foods like beef, pumpkin seeds, and lentils. For optimal results, aim to include oysters in your diet at least once or twice a week to keep your testosterone and sperm health at peak levels. Number 3, walnuts, the ultimate fertility snack. When it comes to boosting sperm health naturally, walnuts are one of the best foods you can add to your diet. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which enhance sperm production and motility. Think of omega-3s as premium fuel for your reproductive system. They improve blood flow to the testicles, ensuring that sperm receive the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. But the benefits don't stop there. Walnuts are also powerful sperm morphology enhancers, meaning they help improve the shape and structure of sperm, a critical factor in fertility. A 2012 study in Biology of Reproduction found that men who consume 75 grams of walnuts daily for 12 weeks experienced significant improvements in sperm count, motility, and morphology. Beyond fertility, walnuts are loaded with L-arginine, vitamin E, and polyphenols, which boost testosterone levels, reduce oxidative stress, a major cause of sperm damage, lower inflammation in the reproductive system, support better sleep, stress reduction, and gut health, all of which contribute to hormonal balance and fertility. For maximum results, eat about 75 grams, roughly 1 handful, of walnuts per day. Whether added to smoothies, oatmeal, salads, or eaten as a snack, walnuts are an easy and delicious way to improve reproductive health. Number 4. Eggs, the sperm protection shield. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to sperm production and protection. Packed with high-quality protein and vitamin E, they provide the essential building blocks for healthy, strong sperm. One of the key benefits of eggs is their antioxidant content, which helps protect sperm cells from free radical damage. Free radicals can weaken sperm, making them less likely to fertilize an egg. But the nutrients in eggs help strengthen and preserve sperm cells, improving overall fertility. Another hidden gem in eggs is choline, a nutrient that directly fuels testosterone production. A 2018 study in reproductive biology and endocrinology confirmed that choline plays a critical role in sperm membrane, integrity, motility, and overall fertility. Beyond fertility, eggs offer brain-boosting, heart-protecting, and muscle-repairing benefits, thanks to their rich supply of vitamin D, B12, and essential amino acids. For maximum benefits, aim to eat 2 to 3 whole eggs per day. Whether boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs are one of the simplest and most effective foods for boosting male reproductive health. Number 5. Dark chocolate, the sperm motility booster. Here's a surprising addition to the list: dark chocolate. It's packed with L-arginine, an amino acid scientifically proven to enhance sperm count and motility. L-arginine increases nitric oxide levels, which helps improve blood flow to the reproductive organs. Better circulation leads to healthier, more active sperm, increasing the chances of successful fertilization. Research published in the Journal of Fertility and Sterility found that men with higher L-arginine intake experience significant improvements in sperm motility and overall fertility. However, not all chocolate is beneficial. To maximize the effects, choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa, as it contains the highest levels of L-arginine and antioxidants. For best results, enjoy 1 ounce of dark chocolate per day, a simple yet delicious way to support reproductive health. These 5 science-backed foods have been proven to enhance sperm health, boost testosterone levels, and improve overall reproductive function. Key takeaways for maximum results. To optimize your reproductive health, remember these science-backed foods: walnuts, enhance sperm count, motility, and morphology for better fertility. Eggs, protect sperm from damage while boosting testosterone levels. Leafy greens, prevent sperm DNA damage and improve overall fertility. Oysters, rich in zinc, they increase testosterone and enhance sperm quality. Dark chocolate improves sperm motility and blood flow to reproductive organs. Incorporate these nutrient-packed foods into your diet consistently for stronger, healthier sperm and optimal fertility. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite fertility-boosting food? Check out our other videos on the screen now for even more ways to take your fitness journey to the next.